This is a turnkey project for young chickens of Taiyu HK Group. After the farm is completed, it is expected to house 300,000 young chickens. The cage frame adopts a brand new European framework structure, which is sturdy and durable and can meet the various needs of workers during their work. The cages are made of high-quality aluminum magnesium alloy wire. It has a lifespan of 25 years. The young chickens are distributed across all 4 floors after they are older from the bottom 2 to 3 floors. Here is feed mill and silo. The young chickens feed by using the feeding tray. When they grow a little older, the automatic feeding system supplies the feed. Workers move the small feeders. The farmer can adjust the ratio of nutritional elements in the feed as the chickens grow. We own feed factory for 20 years, rich experience in feed management. If you are interested in feed mill and feed processing, contact us too. The bottom plastic net protects the young chicks' feet. The water line can be raised and lowered to provide water supply. The intelligent lighting system automatically changes color as the chicken grows older. The warm water system is combined with the ventilation system to regulate the temperature and humidity in the chicken house as chickens age for growing healthily. You can check the data such as temperature, feed output, and so on by iPad or phone app. The automatic manure remove system keeps your farm air fresh and reduces the occurrence and spread of diseases. It transfers the chicken manure to the outside. Taiyu has branches in China, Nigeria, Ethiopia, and Tanzania. Contact us now.